Alrighty, we're going to start with today's guided class practice. Number 1, Lou's dog eats 3 dog biscuits a day. How many dog biscuits will the dog eat in 7 days? Let's start with the number sentence. So we've got 7 days. With 3 biscuits each equals 21 biscuits. Alrighty, number 2. There are twice as many girls in Mrs. York's class as there are boys. Twice as many girls as there are boys. Are there more girls or boys in her class? Think about it. There are more girls, twice as many. There are 10 girls in Mrs. York's class, so how many boys are in her class? So if we have twice as many girls, so that means there's half the amount of girls, half the amount of boys as there are girls. So how many boys are in her class? Get ready. 5 boys. Alrighty, number 3, Mrs. Dunleavy had 8 cookies. She gave each of her children 2 cookies. Draw a picture to show the cookies. Those were 8 cookies, and if she gave each child 2 cookies, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has how many children? Get ready. 4 children. The cost of a pencil is 60 cents. How much change will you receive from $1? 100 minus 60 equals how much? Get ready. 40. So we would have 40 cents. And if you couldn't do that in your head, you can always subtract $1 minus 60 cents. Okay? Alrighty, number 5. Stephen can buy 2 folders for 25 cents. Use the table to show the cost of 14 folders. So let's finish writing in our number of folders. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and the 14's already there. So we know 2 folders cost 25 cents. So if we double that for 4, we know we need 50 cents. So if 2 folders equals 25 cents, then we know 4 folders will equal 50 cents. All right, so if we have 6 folders, we have to have how much money? Get ready. 75 cents. And if we wanted 8 folders, how much money would we need? Get ready. $1. And if we wanted 10 folders, how much money? Get ready. $1.25. 12 folders would be $1.50. And how much would 14 folders be? Get ready. What? Oh, I'm getting messy. $1.75. So how many folders can Stephen buy with $1? All we have to do is come back to our table, look right here at $1, and we can see that he can buy 8 folders. All right, number 6, write the quotients. Quotient means answer. 14 divided by 2 equals, get ready, 7. 8 divided by 2 equals, get ready, 4. 18 divided by 2 equals, get ready, 9. Alrighty, we're going to find the answers. $2.93 plus $1.42 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Put my decimal, bring up my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4, so we have a total of $4.35. Next problem is subtraction. We cannot take 8 from 5, so let's borrow from this 9. Make it an 8. Bring that 1 down to the 5, so we've got 15 minus 8 equals 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Put your decimal. 5 minus 1 equals 4, so our answer is $4.17. All right, the last one is also subtraction. We always want to make sure we're doing our math correctly. If it's adding or subtracting. 9 minus 9 equals 0. We can't take 4 from 2, so we're going to have to borrow from the 6. Make it a 5. Change that 2 into a 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Remember your decimal and dollar sign. $2.80.